What's up, y'all? It's your girl Angel, and today I have another makeup video for you guys. Now today I actually got requested this video, so shout out to my friend Maisha who requested a eyebrow tutorial, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just prime my face real quick. Use the Wet n Wild face primer because I'm not. What I usually do for my eyebrows when I'm doing them on a day like this where it's been just a little while, if I come close, you can see under here I have some, like, you know, hair that's just growing back and things like that. So what I start off doing when I'm doing my makeup is I get this kit, this Kiss kit. This is like amazing if you want to like, if you want to get into doing your own eyebrows and like keeping up with your own eyebrows. I feel like this is like the best kit to get. So it has this brush with a spoolie on the bottom, it has tweezers, it has this blade, it has a scissor comb, and it has this blade, which is just shaped different. So what I normally do for my eyebrows, the spoolie and the brush, the blade, which this is just like the cap, so like the blade, and tweezers. Do is just brush your eyebrows to like the best shape, closest to the shape that you want. So like I brush the front up and like a little, like I'll brush it up, and then as I start going this way I'll start coming out to like shape it to an arch, and then I'll just brush this out. You're gonna go in with your blade, and what I just do is like for the bottom I'll like just pull up my eyebrow and just lightly take away the hairs that are unwanted. Now that's gonna be for like hairs that are super like long and thick and things like that, but the only thing I don't like with using this blade is it like shaves it. You're basically shaving your eyebrows kind of, so like it grows back really quick compared to like if you get them waxed, it's like pulling even like the base of the piece of hair out, so it doesn't grow back as fast. Same with like threading, which I personally really like threading. It hurts. A way cleaner look than like having your eyebrows waxed. With this one, see, I have the matching one. I think they're so cute. There's just a couple of hairs right here that are out of place. So now you're gonna take your tweezers and just pluck those couple of hairs. So, I mean, I'm gonna come close and you can kind of see, like, I cleaned this area up, and then I took the hairs from right here with these tweezers, and you can see the difference of the not done and the done. And now we're just gonna do the same process on the other side, and I'll come back to you guys when I'm about to fill them. Now at this point, depending on the... You're fucking me up! You'll be quiet, I'm trying to record a video! So that's good. So now at this point of the eyebrow routine is when I will figure out how I'm feeling that day and whether or not I want to use like my pencil or my pomade. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and this one is in soft brown, but my pencil, my Brow Wiz, is in medium brown. This one was actually given to me, so, but it still works. Like, medium brown's my color, but do you see how like I have no hair on the bottom of the front of my damn eyebrows? I don't understand that. But anyway, that's the point. We're gonna... Now I'm gonna cry over spoiled milk. Now I don't do this every single time I do my eyebrows because they're my eyebrows, so I'm more used to them. But when you're getting into like the swing of doing your eyebrows, this is a really good trick to use. To make sure your eyebrows are even, like with each other, and you have the best shape for your face, is you take your pencil, pull a little bit of product, And you're going to take it and you're going to align it with your nose, like the creases on your nose right here. And you're going to go straight up and down, and that's where your brow should start. So like the fade of your eyebrow should start about right here, right? Go straight like this, and then you're gonna go straight through your eye. So like you see how like the brush will go straight through that brown right there? That is where your designated arch should be. So like you're gonna go here, that's the end, right through there will be where your arch should be, and then you go align with the bottom, like right here, so like the very end of your eye, you're gonna line up with that, and that's where you should end. And then you could just do the same thing on both sides, because that way it's always gonna be even for your face. After I dip in the pomade is works, because I have like other angled brushes, like this one, I have this one, it came in like, you know, like a regular palette, but this one is too thick. Like these bristles are too thick for what you need to use it for. And then I've also tried like this one, but the only problem with this one, truthfully, is not thin enough. It's still not thin enough. You can use this one, and I have used this one when I was doing like my eyebrows with powder, which is when I'm like out of everything. I have no pomade. This was when I didn't have pomade, when I didn't have any more brow wiz. I used powder and I used this brush, but this one is still too thick for a pomade. See? And it's just angled, and it's like just perfect. I just wish it was longer. So yeah, you're just gonna take that, and that first line that we made right there, you want to just take from that line and kind of go like up, like look. You see? So we're just gonna like that. Okay, and now you see how you have that, that's that piece of the eyebrow that I'm missing right now. So we got that part, okay? And what I do when I'm doing my eyebrows, and I don't know why I do it, I just find it very effective for the shape of my eyebrow, is after I do that part, I usually don't stop there. I'll usually just go all the way through my eyebrow like this and take it straight to my arch like that. So I'll just go like this, make this line, and then go straight up and make my arch. This line to my arch is when I'll come back around and start doing it at the top and evening the arch that I made from this line, which is right here, with the top of my eyebrow now. So like I fill in the bottom to the arch, and then I work on the rest. Put the brow wiz and just use the spoolie on that, and brush out just the front to blend so it doesn't look so harsh, like that. So now you have that good eyebrow shape that you're looking for. So I'm just going to take any concealer you have, and the way you're going to shape it now is just honestly get close enough to the brow where you're cleaning up the fact that you were just blending this whole brow, so now it's like a little, like, you know. So you're just going to take like that, and I'm just going to use this flat edge to keep my eyebrow line straight. So because I do my eyebrows like this, and one time I went to work and this lady, She asked me if I got my eyebrows microbladed. Okay? Microbladed. I was like, what? You think I got money? Oh my goodness. My eyebrows look like I got money. So now at this point you just want to take your beauty blender and just blend the concealer you left there. So then at this point I would start doing my makeup. So, oh wait, so if you're finished, because I do this at the end of my makeup routine, so say I'm just doing my eyebrows, after you do all of this and your eyebrows look this good, brow gel is literally key. Some brow gel, maybe a little highlight right there, and you're chilling. You're Gucci. So that is all for my eyebrow tutorial. Yeah, but if you guys want to see anything else, let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video of my eyebrow tutorial, give this a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see all the rest of my videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my eyebrow tutorial, and I will see y'all in my next video. Later.